This is the Swagle Show. Hello everybody and welcome back to the Swagle Show. Now, I did my best, but my lips are supposed to be the Japanese flag. And I mean the old Japanese flag, not the new one. But, it's decent. So if you can tell what this video is about, I'm gonna be trying some more Japanese snacks. And you thought I was done. And again, it's from Crave Japan. Still not sponsored. So let's get started, shall we? Tonkari corn, or in America, Japanese bugles. So let's see how they taste. They smell like bugles. They look like bugles. They taste like bugles. But they ain't bugles. Those are some pretty good Japanese bugles. But I'm gonna need something to wash that down with. Luckily, I have some ramune drink. I drank a lot more than I thought I would, but at least you can see the marble clearly. Oh lord. Bring it on, Japan. Next up, we have puree gummy, lemon flavored. It's sort of packaged weirdly. I like it. I'm gonna be honest though, I'm not too big on lemon. Is this a heart? I guess it is. Pretty cute, don't you think? You know what? I'm gonna make an exception for this. I don't usually like lemon, but this one is actually pretty good. Need to wash something down with it. I wonder what it should be. Yeah. You can't have this. This is maple butter beer. And again, this says ramune. I don't know if I told you guys in the last one, but... I don't know if I told you guys in the last one, but this one also says ramune up top. And I'm also not a huge fan of beer as well. I don't like many things, but let's try it anyways. It tastes like buttered popcorn more than anything. It also has the consistency of a Smartie. Well, I guess I gotta have another drink of this ramune. Ramune makes your day. That was terrible. Okay, it's good. Getting used to it. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, please remember to comment, rate, subscribe for more awesome videos. And I'll see you when I see you. Dee 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 dee.